clean office isn't just about appearances, it has the power to transform how people feel and work. A well maintained workspace boosts focus, supports health, and creates an environment where productivity thrives. Welcome to Fast Clean, your trusted partner in keeping offices spotless and efficient. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who deserves a cleaner, healthier workspace. A messy office can make everything feel overwhelming. Clutter creates stress, drains energy, and makes it harder to focus. But when the space is clean and organized, people feel calmer, more in control, and more creative. Clean desks and tidy common areas clear both the physical and mental space, allowing fresh ideas to flow. Cleanliness also supports physical health. Germs hide on keyboards, phones, and door handles, while dust and poor air quality can lead to headaches, allergies, and fatigue. Regular cleaning, air purifiers, and proper ventilation keep the air fresh and employees healthy. The benefits go far beyond hygiene. Fewer sick days mean smoother operations. Employees feel valued and motivated when their workspace is cared for. An organized office speeds up everyday tasks and boosts overall efficiency. The best results come from daily habits. A clean desk policy, disinfecting shared surfaces, no eating at desks, and scheduled deep cleaning help keep everything fresh. A clean workplace isn't just good for employees, it strengthens a company's image. Clients and visitors notice when a business is well kept, and employees are more likely to stay in an environment where they feel good. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Fast Clean, and tell us in the comments how cleanliness impacts your workday.